Right now, it's too cold in Alaska. Cold, 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 but it's refreshing in my face. I love it.
What's that noise?
Probably the heater.
Turn it down or something. So it's going to drive me crazy.
Ayun ang mountain. Ayan, Anchorage, Alaska. We are here in Anchorage, Alaska. Para mag-relax. Ayun ang mountain doon. Napupuno na ng snow ang mountain. This is Anchorage, Alaska. Ayan, makita yung mountain. Nag-snowy. Ayan, gusto mong tumira ng ganito? Me? I'm gonna like it. Yeah, I always like cold. Yeah, I love it. Ayan, mga ano sila na-frozen yung lake. It's really white. So it's really,
It's a frozen lake.
yeah.
They're ice fishing on it, and he's practicing dog mushing.
Oh, yeah. That's fine, man. Ayan, oh. Yeah,
Here he goes.
yeah. Ayan,
Come on,
frozen lake.
Yeah.
Frozen lake.
There's a nice park down here.
Yeah.
Way up there.
Oh, yeah. Like Alaska, like Pennsylvania. Ayan, mag-shopping ka, tapos may ganyan kang view. Nice mountain view. Parang siyang Pennsylvania ang Alaska. Ayan, kung ano yung sa Pennsylvania, marami din dito sa Alaska. Nice. Ayan ang kabundukan. Snowy sa Alaska. Ayan ang mountain. Nice kayo ang view. Oo, ganahan ko sa Alaska. Kay nice kayo siya. Ayan. Oh, diba? Grabe yung mountain. Nandot kayo ang view. Sa mga balay diya. Sa mga balay. Ayan ang snowy. Tapos makita yung view ng bundok. Yes. Ayan. Ang lamig-lamig ngayon. Ayun. Kita pa sa camera. Mausok yung hininga ko. Ang lamig siya. Tapos,
Just taste.
and then may ano
Yeah,
doon, may
tents.
plane. Ah,
That's a hole there.
oh,
Well, it's frozen over, but they had it must have been ice fishing there.
ah.
That's why all that
Ah, they
activity.
make a hole.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ayan ang ano. Ayan ang mountain. Lamig. Sobrang lamig. Ah. My sawa is there. And look the view. Look at the view.
You want to spin around for your husband?
What, mahal?
Yeah.
And look at it.
Get your picture.
Huh?
I'll get your picture.
Nakakatakot. Nanginginig ako. Lalim. Ang lalim ng bangin na yan. Oh. Bangin yan. Bangin. Sobrang lalim. May water on us. Ano na frozen na ang water. Sige na ako, nagbitak-bitak na akong paan. Ang lamig. Oh boy, a moose. Hi moose. Where's your baby? Where's your baby?
Jay,
Huh?
you got him.
Moose?
We finally good.
Hi. Oh boy. Where's your baby? Yeah. It's big, mahal.
Yeah, big mama.
Yeah. Oh. She's by himself. Yeah, moose yan. Ayan, oh. Ayan, kanina pa kami naghanap ng moose. Ayan, nakita na kami ng moose. Asan ang anak mo? Ingat ka, ingat. Nahalap na. Ayan. Okay na. Ingat. Oh, malaki kaya yan. Malaki siya sa personal. Maliit lang na tignan sa ano, camera. Laki, oh. Asan kaya ang anak niya?